At our state-of-the-art factory, we fuse modern technology and elite craftsmanship. Every piece is a testament to our dedication and commitment to producing timeless pieces that will last a lifetime. We are the only furniture manufacturer that can provide fully customizable solutions for your home or Airbnb. All our pieces are proudly made in Kenya by Kenyans for the world. A home is not complete without bedrooms. This master bedroom features a full bed set and dressing table and a poof to complete your space. At all our showrooms countrywide, we have all our signature pieces, and you can mix and match and work hand in hand with our talented design team to bring your ideas to life. At Dr. Mattress and DRM Furniture, we have full home solutions that are within budget to furnish your entire home or Airbnb.